Hello traders! If you're searching for the best Forex brokers in Jamaica for 2026, you're in the right place. Forex trading in Jamaica is growing steadily as more traders explore global financial markets. From Kingston to Montego Bay, Spanish Town, and Portmore, retail traders are actively participating in currency trading, indices, commodities, and CFDs. With advanced online platforms, competitive spreads, and easy account access, Forex trading has become more accessible for both part-time traders and experienced market participants. However, selecting the right broker is crucial for long-term trading success. Many traders ask, is Forex trading legal in Jamaica? Yes. Forex trading is legal in Jamaica and regulated by the Financial Services Commission, FSC Jamaica. Brokers operating internationally may also follow regulations from global authorities like the Financial Conduct Authority, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Strong regulation, transparent pricing, segregated client funds, and investor protection should always be key priorities when choosing a broker. Here are the best Forex brokers for traders in Jamaica for 2026. FP Markets, 8Cap, Tickmill, IC Markets, FX Pro, FBS, Focus Markets, XM, AXI, HFM. You'll find the direct link in the description below to open an account with one of these top-rated brokers for 2026. Now, let's briefly explore what makes each broker stand out. First, FP Markets. Regulated by ASIC and SISAC, and offers competitive spreads with fast execution. It offers MT4 and MT5 platforms with deep liquidity, making it suitable for active traders and algorithmic strategies. Second, 8Cap. 8Cap provides transparent pricing and strong technology infrastructure, with support for MT4 and MT5, along with integration of advanced trading tools. It's a strong choice for traders focused on efficiency and performance. At number 3 is Tickmill. Tickmill is known for tight spreads and low commissions. With strong regulatory oversight and smooth trade execution, it's favored by cost-conscious traders. Number 4 on our list is IC Markets. IC Markets is widely known for ultra-low spreads and institutional-grade liquidity. Supporting MT4, MT5, and K-Trader, it's ideal for scalpers and algorithmic traders who need fast execution. At number 5, FX Pro. FX Pro offers multiple platforms including MT4, MT5, and its proprietary platform. With diverse account types and consistent execution quality, it suits traders who value flexibility and broad market access. Coming in at number 6 is FBS. FBS is well known for accessible minimum deposits and flexible account structures. It provides educational resources and multiple trading options, making it appealing to traders starting with smaller capital. At number 7 is XM. XM offers a wide range of instruments including Forex, indices, commodities, and shares. With strong global presence and multilingual support, it continues to attract retail traders across the Caribbean and beyond. Rounding out our list at number 8, we have Focus Markets. Focus Markets provides fast execution, high leverage options, and access to a variety of instruments. It is a strong option for traders who value advanced trading tools, stable performance, transparent pricing, and efficient order execution. Number 9. We have AXI. AXI focuses on competitive spreads and fast execution supported by reliable infrastructure. It delivers a stable trading environment suitable for both new and experienced traders. Number 10 on our list is HFM. HFM offers flexible leverage options within regulatory limits and a variety of account types. With international oversight and diverse instruments, it serves traders looking for balanced trading conditions. Always check for proper regulation, trading costs, platform options, and support. Try demo accounts first to see which broker fits your style best. These are simple steps that can save you a lot of trouble later. That's our list of the best Forex brokers in Jamaica for 2026. For opening an account with the mentioned brokers on the video, please visit www.topfxbrokersreview.com. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe for more trading breakdowns. Trade smart, trade safe, and I'll see you in the next one.